The Foolish Wolf. Once upon a time, Hungry Wolf was walking around the hut near a village. Just then, he heard a baby near crying in the house. On hearing careful, he heard his mother saying, "Be quiet, my child. Stop crying, or I will give you to the wolf." The wolf was surprised, but at the same time he was very happy to hear this. He thought that it would be really wonderful if the mother gave the baby him. It would make our taste to me. So the wolf sat down under an open window. He believed that he would get that baby anytime. And the baby kept on troubling his mother. He but only wasted his time sitting there. His hopes were not fulfilled. In the night, the wolf again heard the mother's voice. "My dear child, the wolf will not get you. Daddy is watching. He was kill the wolf if he came near you." The wolf ran away for saving his life. Moral: we should never believe everything that we hear.